Welcome to AutoCAD's Match Command tutorial. The Match command in AutoCAD is a handy tool that allows you to quickly match the properties of one object to another. To access the Match command, simply type MATCHPROP in the command line and press Enter, or you can find it in the Home tab under the Properties panel. Once the Match command is activated, you'll be prompted to select the source object whose properties you want to match. After selecting the source object, AutoCAD will prompt you to select the target object or objects that you want to apply the same properties to. You can match various properties such as color, layer, line type, line weight, hatches, and more. Simply select the object you want to match properties with. AutoCAD provides a convenient preview of the properties being matched, allowing you to see the changes before applying them. Once you're satisfied with the properties to be matched, press Enter to finalize the command. And just like that, the properties of the target object are now matched to those of the source object. The Match command in AutoCAD streamlines the process of ensuring consistency and uniformity throughout your drawings. That wraps up our tutorial on the Match command in AutoCAD. Happy drafting!